we going to play today?
Hey, Wibbly!
Hello! What are we going to see?
Hey, Wibbly!
What? Where are we going to go today?
Hey, Wibbly!
That's me. Who are we going to be? I've got to find him, got to catch him. I want to play a game.
With Wibbly!
Let's be funny, let's get silly. I want to play a game.
With Wibbly!
I love to sing, I love to dance, and I love playing games.
With Wibbly!
Woohoo! You're funny, Wibbly. You're my best friend.
Hey, Wibbly!
Hey! Stop, we want to talk to you.
Hey, Wibbly!
I'm here. Oh, are we playing hide and seek?
Hey, Wibbly!
Woohoo! Whoa!
Hey, Wibbly!
There's loads to do. Come on. Wibbly Pig. Wibbly, where are you? Wibbly? There you are, Wibbly. Wibbly, are you being a statue? Shh! I'm keeping very still and very quiet, 'cause I just heard a funny noise. Really? What kind of funny noise? Was it like this? Shh! No, silly. Not that kind of funny. I mean funny odd. A mysterious noise. Mysterious? Oh, you mean strange. Ooh, what did it sound like? Sort of clackety clackety clackety. Chuggle-fluff. Oh, yes, that is mysterious. I know. It didn't sound like any noise I know. What noises do you know, Wibbly? A noise I know is when I stamp my feet. Stamp, stamp, stamp. A noise I know is when I clap to the beat. Clap, clap, clap. A dog goes woof. A cow goes moo. A bubble goes pop. A sneeze, achoo. I like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. Wibbly, did you hear that? Is that the mysterious noise? I'm not sure. It's coming from upstairs. We like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. Let's go! Nearly there. Wibbly, what was that? What? That! That's just a squeaky stair. Not the funny noise we're looking for. Come on! Listen! Did you hear that? Yes, it's coming from your room. There it is again. Is it the same noise you heard before? I don't know. It could be. It sounds like a big rocket ship to me. Oh, what if it is? Sounds like robots crashing and bashing into each other to me. Oh, it could be. Let's go see. See anything? No, I can't hear anything either. Oh, there it is again. Where is it coming from? There, under the bed. My wind-up frog. I thought he was broken. The noise we heard went whir and whiz. Whiz, whiz, whiz. A wind-up frog is what the noise is. Whiz, whiz, whiz. A frog goes croak. A key goes twist. A spring goes boing. And we jump like this. We like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. I love jumping. Is that the funny noise you heard? It could be. We like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. Well? What? Is that the mysterious noise you heard before? It might be, but it sounds to me like an octopus washing her giant legs. Ah! No, silly. I think it's a whale blowing his big nose. Let's have a look. Hey, look at the tap. There's a really big drip on it. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and watch out! That's what the glug glug noise is. It's a big drip going down the drain. The noise we found was a gurgling drain. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. It gurgles once and then again. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. The water goes drip, and then it goes drop. The drop goes plop. The drain? Gurgle. We like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. Hey, that's it. What's it? My funny noise. We like noises, noisy as can be. Let's find that noisy noise that is a noisy mystery. Wibbly, wait for me. There! Did you hear it? I think so. Is that it? Yes, that's the one I heard before. Isn't it the strangest noise ever? It really is mysterious. What could it be? It's a dragon. He's very cold. Ooh. Or what about a crab dancing and thinking of a song? A dancing crab! Wibbly, wait! Now your noise sounds a little bit like a noise I know. You're right! I can be a train too! Choo-choo! Choo 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 choo. Shh! It's coming from over there. Ooh, what is it? Can you see anything yet? No, keep going. Oh, what's that? Is it a spaceship? Or a robot? Let's go very slowly. Aunt Larly, it's you!
Of course it's me, Wibbly. Who else do you know who sits and knits in the garden when it's sunny?
So, the funny noise was Aunt Larly's knitting needles. You solved the mystery, Wibbly. Well, we solved it together. We like noises, noisy as can be. We found that noisy noise that was a noisy mystery. Yes, we found that noisy noise that was a noisy mystery.
Ah, finished.
What have you made, Aunt Larly?
A lovely new sun hat for you, Wibbly Pig. There.
Bye, Wibbly. Bye-bye. See you soon.